So now, we are going to be like add all the details here. Okay, we'll add others. Okay, so yesterday where we have stopped up to conditions. So whatever I'm telling the JavaScript, no, so that is every day you are going to be see. If you go for any shopping mall or any cinema theater or somewhere, you are going to be get all these scenarios. Okay, so okay, you are getting all these scenarios. So that what why I'm telling this one in the sense. 1 minute. Just add JS. Okay, so now the conditions means if you go for anywhere, if you go for any software company also, there also you have to show the ID card. So they have a software. So there you have going to be apply the conditions. So there are we have seen a mini condition like if condition and if condition means that is a execute a true block and else condition will be executed false flag. And if you want to execute a one more condition, you have a one condition, so that is for the true condition. The else condition will be executed for the false condition. The else if condition is a one more condition you are going to be give. So like that you have not have a first option, at least give me a second option. So even if you don't have, then again if it's going for the false condition. And the next will be a switch condition. What is a switch condition? Switch then specify the many alternative blocks of a code to be executed. Okay, first we are going to be write our code and we are going to be write it. So switch what happens? Switch will be switch statement to select a one or many code or block of to be executed. So what does it mean? So for that, okay. So for that we are going to go for the switch condition. When the switch condition we need, we have a like 60 member students are there. So you want to check like who is having a who is a CR. So how you are going to take it? You are going for the first student, checking for whether he is a CR or not, like that. So like that we are going to be work for the switch condition. So for that I want to open my code editor D Bitstream.io training batches, December 2023. JS is there, so you know this one how to open a code editor. See, whatever I am telling, please do practice. If you not get a time, also at least you can practice in the weekends. Okay, so index 14.html. So it is taking us some time because here you can see it is activating my plugins. Okay, so that's why it is taking us some time. So meanwhile, we will understand the what is the statement. Okay, just I want to take one example. The switch statement is used to perform a different actions based on a different conditions. Okay, the switch statement select a one of a many code blocks to be executed. Okay, case 1, case 2, case 3, case n. Like that it is going for the n number of cases. Okay, so what I will do, I will go here, DOC, enter, will close all those things. So I want to find my day, okay, or I want to find a year, I want to find a month, I want to find the seconds. I want to find the minutes. Okay. So how to do this one? So for that, so just I will take a H2, the switch. switch, and we'll add a paragraph here. What is the condition here? The switch statement is used to perform the different actions based on the different conditions. Okay, so this is a paragraph I will add here, and we'll add a one more paragraph. And what is the action? The switch statement is to select a one of many code blocks to be executed. If you see this sentence, you might get confused. What is telling or something like that. So just we'll go for the example. Script ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. So ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ I will write a switch, a bracket, and open close bracket. So this is a one switch lock. So I will take a one condition new date. Okay, what is the date? So a date is in a method. It is going to be get the a date dot. I want to get the day. So here you will get a get day method, and this is a one switch block. Okay, so this is, it is going to be a date is a method. It is going to be, sorry, date object. It is giving a get day method. By the date, which is going to be get the get day. Get day means it is going to be give the today's date. If you want to see here, we already seen the last session, so no need to go once again. So first, the a case 0. The first one is a case 0, and a day, sorry, case 0 colon, enter a day equals to, I will take a Sunday. Okay, then you are going to be a break. Okay, what is the means? So it is this is the switch condition. Now there are the condition is there. So I want to check for the case 1. So today is not a Sunday, right? It will check for this one. This one will be not matched. Then it is looks for another one. The case 1, and day equals to Monday, and break. So this is a one block of a code checking for the exact day. Case 2. So like that, how many days is there? In the week we have a 7 days. 0, 1, 2, Monday, Tuesday, break. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. So yeah. Sorry. Uh, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I will take a here Thursday, and that's the day 4 and day 5, and this is a day 6. So here what happens? So these are all the cases, okay? So case equals to 0, day, a Sunday, and a break. What is the break in the sense? So break is a one thing keyword. It is going to be stop the execution. So for the case, it is going to be start the execution. The break is a one thing. It is will stop the execution. Okay. So case 0, day equals to Sunday, and case 1 equals to day equal to Monday, break. Case 2, day Tuesday, break. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is going to be compare all the conditions. Where is the match? It is going to be printed. Okay, so where it is the printing? So here it is a day, it is going to be printed. Okay, so now here what I will do, I will print this one, document dot get element by id of demo dot inner html equals to day. Okay, so it might be throw an error, so why I will tell. Okay, so here I want to print where the id is there. So for that I will take a h2 hash demo. So this is a shorthand writing of a id attribute for the html. See, automatically it is going to be printed h2 id demo. Clear? So I will run this one. Right click, open with the live server. It has to be open with a browser. Yeah, it's still running a Tuesday. How as the day is a Tuesday, right? So how it is printing? We'll go for the code. So how it is printing? So date method, it is giving the complete date. What it contains? Day, month, year, seconds, milliseconds, and Indian Standard Time. So get day method, it is going to be give the get day. Okay, so this is the how it will check for the case zero. Is it matches Sunday? No. So then it will be break. Break means what? It will stop the execution of a case zero. So this is the one block. Then again it is coming for the case two. That is the second block. So if it is a fail, it is checked for the Monday. So is it Monday? No. So here the value is there. Okay. So then case 3, sorry, case 2, it is going to be checked for the Tuesday is a match one. So this will be a day when the match will be done. So then it is coming out of the a block. Okay. Then it is going to be print the a day. How it is printing? So I have defined the ID, a demo, but document not get element by document is an object, get element by id is a method, demo means it is going to be print with the h2 tag. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡೇನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡೇಟು ಫುಲ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಡೇ ಇಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಸೊ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ print a day. So the day is here, document dot get element by id demo. ಸೊ ಡೆಮೋ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಚ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುವಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಚ್ ಟೂದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇದೆ, ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಡಿ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಡಿ ಎಚ್ ಟು ಐ ಡಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಚ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. Okay, so what is the switch statement is used to perform a different actions based on a different conditions. What is the different actions and different conditions? So here I'm getting the date, day. I might get a date. I might get a minutes. I might get a what can say milliseconds and seconds. So you have a n number of different conditions. If you just add a dot here, see, I can get a full year, get hours, millisecond, get minutes, get month, get seconds, get time zone, get usage data. These are all the different methods are there. So there, I am taking a get day method. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಂದು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮೆನಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ, ಸಾರಿ ಮಂಡೇ, ಓಕೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಕೇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಂಡೇ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್. Okay. And one more question is when it is used. So you can, as I told, if you want to comparison for a specific condition by the cases, so then you are going to be use this one. Okay, so this is called a switch. So then they will ask the what is the break then? See, you wherever go, so wherever the break will come, no, so then it will stopping of the execution of the code. Okay, what is a break in the sense? So break is a keyword. It is going to be stop the execution of the code. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಆ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್, ಇದು ಜಾವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವೇರ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. Okay, so then one more keyword is there. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ವೆನ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಇದು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ? ಸೊ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್. So default we can say like what is this one? Day break. Okay. So what if I not mention a Tuesday? Save it. We'll go here. No day found. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ನೋ ಡೇ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ save it. Yeah, the case to Tuesday. Okay, so it is going to be find the matching word. So Tuesday. So default is a one thing. What is the default in the interview? The first is what is the switch means. The switch is the condition, a statement used to perform a different actions on a different conditions. So this is the interview question. So then what is the break in the sense? So break is a keyword. It is going to be stop the execution. So then what is the default? The default is a keyword. Wherever there is a no key match in the switch block, it is going to be go for the this one, what you can say, default block. Okay, so this is how you have to explain this one. Okay, so we got to know what is a switch condition. So here we are going to be seeing here the switch condition. So default keyword specify the code to run. There is a no case match. So here the default is there. Okay, so this is the different types of conditions. What we have if condition. If ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಐ ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಐ ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The next is the else if. Else if is a okay, at least if you don't have a ID card, at least show Aadhaar card ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು else if. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the first if condition ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so then it is going for the second if condition. ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least ನೀನು ಐ ಡಿ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರು at least ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. And there's a like else is a if the condition is false. Okay, and the switch is what? One or many condition with a different statements. So we are going to be work on it. So the switch statement is used to perform a different actions on a different conditions. Okay, switch statement can be selected one of a many code block. It is going to be selected only one from the many code blocks. Okay, so one of the many code blocks. Okay, so this is how it is going to be works. The next we are going with the very important and this one, the loops. Okay, so what the name you understand loops? Loops can execute a block of a code number of times. Loops are handy if you want to run the same code over and again, over and again, over. Sorry. So what is a loop? If you just go for the student data, so just go here. So let's say student data. Let's say this is a one student register book. Okay, student ID, no name, marks, percentage, grade, and everything. So, so you have a 60 member data. So if you want to call every day, okay. So morning it will come student ID this one and like that. Okay, so let's say this is a one student is there. Okay, so what is a student? The student ID one, student ID two, student ID three, four, five, like that, 60 or 100 student they are going to be called. So this is called a student ID. Then student name. So they are if they call by name or ID, they are going to be say yes or no. So let's say this is the 14th student or 10th student, whatever the student. Every day you are going to be called this one. So every day calling is called a loop. ಅಂದ್ರೆ every day ನಾವು attendance ತಗೋತೀವಲ್ವಾ? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So ಇದು one loop ಆಯ್ತು. Loop ಅಂದ್ರೆ going through the items or elements. So this is called a one loop, two loop. So every day calling or every minute you are calling or every hour you are calling. So that is called a loop. So what is the sentence? Loops can execute a block of a code or a number of a times. Okay. The first will go for the for loop. Okay. So we are going for the first for loop. Okay, how to do for loop? The first I want to take a one more code block code. So that is the index 15.html and the doc. Save it. We'll close this one. Okay, so h2 the loop. Okay, then a script. So I want to loop through names. Okay. So how to loop through? A constant names equals to. So I want to take a string names. Virat, Sehwag, Sachin, Virat, Sehwag, Sachin, and Yuvraj. And we'll add one more Rohit. Okay, so this is how you are going to be stored. This is the data. So how to do loop through this data? Yes, let a text equals to empty string. No worries what I am writing. I will explain everything. The first one is the for loop. For let I equals to 0, I less than n, or okay, n I plus plus, open close brace. So this is a, what is the I? So I am going to be iterate from the starting 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is why I initialize the 0. Then what is the n? So I n is the length of the total array elements. How to find the total array element? So let n equals to names dot length. Okay. So what is the names dot length it is going to give? It is going to give the total number of items. So can you tell me anyone what is the length of this one? Anyone? What is the length of this array? So we already discussed it. Anyone? Tell me if wrong also fine, no issues. Okay, someone is picked. Manjunath, yeah, 5 is the array. But index is 4. You might find a what we can see little bit confusion. The length is 5 and index is 4. Yes. Yeah, please do mute. So here what happens? So it is going to be started from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is 4. Sorry, index is 4. Total item is a 5. Okay. So now the n is a 5 now. N equals to 5 value. Okay. The initially what happens? Okay, so we are going to be go through the loop. Okay, so here names dot length means it is going for the names array. A length it is going to be find the array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the actual length is a 4. Sorry, but length is 4. Total number of item is 5. Why the this difference is since it is going to be start with a 0. That is the thing. Okay. The next is what? Sorry, length is a 5. The index is a 4. The first is what? I equals to 0. What is the I? I is a 0 now. So n is a 5 and the I is a initial value is what? 0. Because we assigned here. So just I will cut here control X. So this is the comment, okay? It is something no use. So just for visible it is there. It will not execute or anything or something. So let I equals to 0. So what is I? Is 0 is less than n. What is the n? 5. So my condition is 0 is less than 5. Is it a 0 is less than 5? Yes, obviously. Then what I want to do, I want to print the array. Where to print? So I already defined a text. Text plus equals to names is my array. What is the I value initially? The I value is 0. So just I want to pass the I and the plus will add a double quote. BR means what? So this is a breaker because every item it has to be display with a new line. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ನಂದು ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5 ಇದೆ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಐ 0 ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 5ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆನಾ? ಹೌದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು? 0. ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವಿರಾಟ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ 1. ಸೊ 0 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, again the 1 is a less than 5. Yes, so names of 1 save add ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. and increment by 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I value 2. so so again it will come. Is a 2 is less than 5? Yes, the names of 2 is what? 0, 1, 2. Sachin is displayed, so that is added to the text. Okay, increment by 1. So that is a, here it is a increment by 1. I plus plus ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ what is the I value now? 3. Is 3 is less than 5? Yes. So then increment by, sorry, names of 3 what? 0, 1, 2, 3. So names of 3 means Yuvraj is printed and added here. Okay, so this is how it is going to be printed. The next is what? Uh, the last one is the Rohit. Okay, what is the index of Rohit? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is the last index? 3. So here, increment by 1 means what? Then it is 4 is less than 5? Yes. The names of 4 is what? The names of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then names of 4 is Rohit. Rohit is added here. Then increment by 1 is 5 is a less than 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೂಪ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೂಪ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 60 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಲೂಪ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ here it is, we are going to be print a document dot get element by id demo dot inner html equals to text. Okay, so where is the demo? So I will add a s3 hash demo. Okay, so you can give anything. If you want to give x, you can give x also. Illi idx idx. So we'll go for here. Right click, open it up, fly server. See the Virat, Sehwag, Sachin. Okay, so we'll print a document dot write. The total elements is cars, sorry, names dot length. Save it. See, total element is the length. Total elements is a 5. So if you want to fit CLG means console.log. If you want to what you can say, see the index. If you just go for the names, save it, go here, right click, do inspect, console. See, index is 4, but the items is length is 5. Why? Because it is going to start with a 0. ಇದು 0 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 5 ಇದೆ, ಸಾರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 4 ಇದೆ. Okay, so this is called a for loop. So for loop is one loop. It is going to be iterate for a n number of a block. So what is the exact loop is there? So for loop is divided into 3 parts. The first one is a initialization. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್. What is a for loop andre? The for loop is a loop. It is having the three things. One is a initialization, one is a comparison, one is a increment. Initialization means what? So we are going to be start with the zero index, and comparison we are calling from the first index to the last index, and if it is not same we are going to be increment. So this is the interview question. So why, what is the loop? What are the different types loop you know means? So there are different types of loops are there. The first one is a what? The for loop. The for loop is a loop. It is going to be for a specific condition or two conditions to meet. Initialization, comparison, increment. And the initialization, it is starting from the zero. Comparison, from the zero to the n element. If the both are equals, then the loop will be executed and complete outside. Okay, so this is called the for loop. Okay, so this is how it is going to be one type of a loop. So just I want to go for a one more example. Same, I will take a one more script. So I will take a one more simple for loop. What is a simple for loop? Something. Okay. For I equals to, let I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and I want to print a document dot write. Okay, sorry. I will declare a let text equals to one temporary variable. I will display. Okay, then let text one, because already we have defined above. So let text one equals to let's say text one plus equals to document dot write, or else sorry, we'll add a one string here. The number to print is plus, and okay, this is how we are going to be add here. So we'll add a break here. So this is, it is going to be print a number of values. Okay, initially I equals to 0. Just see the output. So document dot write of text one. Save it. We'll go for here. See, the total number of items is 5. Okay. The number of to print is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, because there's going to be print with the 1. So if you go for a, yeah, always it is going to be start with the loop. Sorry. So if you make us something 50, so it is going to be print the 14 times, because it is going to be start with the this one. So this is how it is going to be go for the loop here. Okay, what is the loop? The one is initialization, the comparison, and increment. So this is how we can say as the a loop. The next is next set of a loop we are going to be is the the for in loop. The JavaScript for in loop for in statement loops through the properties of an object. Okay, so I want to loop through a object. Okay, what is an object? So as discussed in the last section and all, I will just close this one. What is an object? The object is a real world entity. So it is going to be having the states and behavior. Okay, what is the first we will define an object? The constant person equals to I will take a cricketers. I will take a one more variable. Cricketers ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ we will define name is a Virat. Uh, profession cricketer. Uh, net worth is a something something of 900 9,000 crore or something like that. Okay. So if I mention the CR, I need to mention the code. So just okay. Okay. So this is the net worth of this one. So next is what? So just assumptively I kept. Okay. I don't know what is net worth. So what is this one? Age and okay. This is a one object. Okay, so why we are discussing this first means if you see the cricket match, right? So you are going to be see the how many centuries happened, how many cricketers played, and how many centuries done, 30 centuries done, how many players reached for 35 century. You have seen so many calculations and like sometimes of permutation combination of all the calculation. So that is done with this coding only. They are going to be display, right? So if you go for the scoreboard of this one, something if you go for the IPL, if you just go for the images, okay, how this is displaying this one? Same thing, your JSON data only. It is going to be object. If you want to see this one, this is also one object because your code doesn't know the English language. So if you want to display the table, it is displaying in the what you can say with the object only. You are learning this one, right? Here the image is there. So there you are going to be add a image also. So if you go for the something a profile pick something it is going to be something http url something like it will be there. Okay, so this is the object they are going to be displayed. So if you want to go for the loop through the for object itself, the for it loop is there. So how to loop through? So for that, let txt equals to empty string and we'll go for the for okay, let x in cricketers. Sorry, this one I will add here. Control Z, Control C. Okay, so the cricketers array, and this is the cricketer array. I want to dump into one by one. Okay, the next is what? Txt plus equals to what is the array name? The cricketer is a this cricketer is a array name. Then I want to pass the value of a x. Okay. Then I will add a sub After printing every line, it is going to be print a new line. So then we are going to be print a document dot write of txt. So we'll understand the code. So here what happened? I have a one cricketer, what you can say, object. Let text is an empty. So for let x in cricketer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನೇಮ್ನ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನೇಮ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಂಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಇರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ದ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Second iteration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So cricketer dot profession. The profession is dumped to X. The cricketer of profession is what? The cricketer. So that is added to here. The next is the cricketer. It is going to be dump the net worth in the X. The cricketer dot sorry, cricketer net worth is what? So this is it is going to be dumped here. The next is what? A cricketer array. It is going to be dumped the age property name. So age is dumped to X. The cricketer of age is what? So that is a 34. So that is 34 is printed here. And last is what? The cricketer of next property name is a profile pic. The cricketer of profile pic is dumped here. The cricketer profile pic in the sense it is going to be displayed this URL. Okay, so it is going to be looped through, then it is going to search for another property name. It is not then it will stop the execution. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೂಪ್ ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿರಾಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಂಪ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. So we'll go to the here. We'll see here. See batting. See the name is Virat. Batting and profession. Sorry, net worth, age, and profile pic path. So this is how it is going to be print. Okay. So how we can display this data? So if you have a n number of a data, you are just going to be pass a key array base. Okay. Okay, got it. So this is the okay. Then we are going to see text plus is there. What is the plus? What if I remove plus? So if you see here, save it. You are going to be see the only the profile pic. What happens if you add a plus means what? The first the name Virat is dumped here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿರಾಟ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ತಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. ಹಳೇದು ವಿರಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾನಿಷ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಳಿಸೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ನಂದು ಹಳೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೊಸ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಅ ವಿರಾಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗು, ಅವ್ರ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ತು, ಏಜು ಇದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ what we can say the cricketer what can say or details or a looping through the object. The first, what is the loop? The for loop. The for loop is having a initialization and comparison and a increment or sorry condition. So initialization, comparison, increment. There might be a decrement also. ಒಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ 100ರಿಂದ ರಿಟರ್ನು ಡಿಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ 99 98 ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್